how to get free gaming monitor on Temu. So guys, you can click on my link in the description to see if you can get the monitor as a free gift. And now, as you can see, when I tried out the link, just simply go ahead and scroll down over here and try to find a monitor. And if you get lucky, you can just simply go ahead and select the monitor, guys. But if you are not lucky, you can just simply go ahead and click on my link below to get $100 coupon bundle and a 30% discount when you use my code to make it cheaper. In order for you to use the 30% discount, just simply go ahead and select the product that you want. So let's say I'm gonna go buy these shoes over here. And now I'm just gonna simply select it and just simply select a color as well and just simply tap on add, and now just simply go to cart over here down below, and now just simply select your product over here, and now once you have selected it, just simply go ahead and tap on check out. And now once you have checked out, just simply tap on apply a coupon code. And now from here, guys, just simply go for my coupon code and just simply go for ACR 697477. And after that, just simply tap on apply. And from there, you should be able to use my coupon code. And since I already have redeemed it, as you can see, I can only use one coupon per purchase. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and check out your product. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.